In this video, I'm going to show you how to add beneficiaries on your Fidelity account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your investment account, whether it's a Roth IRA or some other type of account. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the top menu, select over here where it says accounts and trades. Then go ahead and scroll down until you see this section that says account features. Please go ahead and press on it. Then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Now, underneath this tab that says manage account, you're going to notice that there's going to be a section called beneficiaries. If you don't have any beneficiaries yet, it's typically going to give you a notice right over here. So you just want to go ahead and find it. Then you want to press on manage just like so. Afterwards, it is going to take you to the beneficiary portal. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on your account. So if you have multiple accounts, go ahead and pick the account which you want to add a beneficiary to. There's going to be an add button, so please go ahead and press on it. Then afterwards, it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Once again, it's going to let you know what account you're using. And to add someone, press on add a beneficiary right over here. Then you're able to go ahead and select on a relationship. So it could be someone who is a spouse, non-spouse, trust, entity. You can go ahead and add them. So let's say we want to add a spouse. We can go ahead and do that. And then we need to enter in their name, their date of birth, their social security number, beneficiary type, etc. Then you need to press on add and you need to select on what percentage of your asset you want to give them. Of course, after you pass away. So this is, again, 100% up to you. This is where you go ahead and do it, where you're able to go ahead and add beneficiaries. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.